In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in iCloud Mail. This 5-minute guide is designed to walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you're up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to iCloud Mail through your web browser. Begin by opening your browser of choice and typing in www.icloud.com. Once you're there, sign into your iCloud account with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete those steps as well. Seeing your iCloud dashboard pop up is your confirmation that you've successfully logged in. Next, you'll want to locate the Mail app. On the iCloud dashboard, look for the Mail icon. It's typically easy to spot. Click on this icon to open your iCloud Mail interface. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's head over to the settings to set up your email forwarding. You'll need to look for the small gear icon, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your screen within the Mail app interface. Click on this gear icon, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. Once inside the settings, focus on the General tab. This section is where you'll find various options for customizing your mail experience. Scroll through these options until you come across the forwarding section. This is where you'll configure where your emails will be forwarded to. In the forwarding section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Forward My Email To. Check this box to activate the forwarding feature. Then you'll need to enter the email address where you'd like your iCloud mail to be forwarded. This could be another email address you use frequently, ensuring that all your important emails reach one centralized inbox. After entering your preferred forwarding address, take a moment to double check it for accuracy. You wouldn't want your emails to end up in the wrong inbox. Once you're satisfied it's correct, go ahead and click Done to finalize the forwarding setup. And there you have it, your iCloud mail forwarding is now set up. Every email sent to your iCloud inbox will automatically be forwarded to the email address you specified, streamlining your communication and keeping you organized. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to set up email forwarding in iCloud Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.